I low-key want to go to Jacksonville just because they got a speed field.
Yeah.
But this is the only other indoor field. Oh shit! All right, go, book it. Go. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, we just out in the open. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hit! Damn, I didn't know they'd be that close. I got one guy. Woo! We gotta go up. Oh shit! All right, I'm gonna go over there. Oh shit! Oh, good shit! Ow! Are you Panda? Are you? Oh, I thought I met you somewhere else. I was gonna say no shit. You in Florida too?
Well, the reason I saw you is that kid's always in there, so I was trying to spur around the corner.
I feel you. It's all good. I get it. Friendly fire don't count here though, right?
Yeah, probably not.
That's a good route here. I'm gonna move up. Who shot you? Ooh, I saw that too. Ooh, that was close. Oh shit. You ain't hit me though. Oh, yo, as soon as you go left, he's in the doorway. Oh, headshot. Is the plane a bad move? All right, this spot sucks. I'm going up. Oh, my bad. Good shit. Fucking beamed me. Ah! I think what hit you in the head, right? That shit bounced off and hit me too. Ah! Oh, my bad. Oh, shit. What corner? Oh shit, like to the left? Oh, right here, watch out, I got him. Ah! I don't know where I'm getting hit from! I have no idea. This is not a pistol place. Ah. We good over here? Is it safe that way? Oh, cool, okay. Ah! I'm in. I made it. Is that whistle game over? You say yeah? That was quick. It's been like 5 minutes. Did the sun go down? That was like 5 minutes. Dude told me it's like 15-minute games. Feels alright. What is that for? My addiction.
I thought it was for your mag. Like,
That's hilarious.
Full power? Where do you want to go? That side or this side?
I don't know. Don't care. I haven't ran this side of the field yet. This is my second game playing here. Oh shit. Oh, that's where this is. I've seen this shit on YouTube. I'll take that. Damn. Where do I get one of these shields? Alright, I'm gonna go straight. Ah! Oh! I don't think you got me, but I'll call it. I'm up. Oh, shit! Yeah, you definitely hit, bro. Not you. Ah, don't shoot me! We out! Ah! Jesus, I'm going that way. Holy shit, bro. If you go left. Oh. They got me. Come on, guys, we need help. Everybody out there. We need help. Get out there.
There you go. We're gonna go around. Go around the right.
All right, go. Oh, we going around way. Where you get him from? Oh, shit. Oh, shit, go. I don't like this spot. Oh shit. Oh, come on. Anything good over there? Oh shit, get behind cover. I couldn't see that way. I'm just watching over there. I swear I saw a foot over there or something.
Cover me this way. I'm gonna duck out for a second.
You got shot? Oh, okay. I'm starting to think nobody's over there. Oh, that's our team in the corner. Alright, we should be good. Okay. I guess I'm gonna go that way. Wait, they did. Ah! Oh! Super dead! Ah! Oh! I wish you hit my plate a little bit more. I did feel the plate shots. Holy shit, that hurt. You can point blank me 5 times in the lower back. Woo! Alright, let's get it. Where they at? Where they at? Where are you aiming? You see anything over there? Oh, really? That game was like 5 minutes. Hey, Pete, that looks sick. I see that.
Yeah, that's a build.
Painted all this, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, good job, dude.
Thank you, man. I painted.
Oh, let me make sure this shit's on. Oh, that is dope.
I mean, it's not finished. It's almost done. Has to get done.
The X on the back. Man.
I removed a bunch of shit from it, but let me show you how it's supposed to look.
What's your channel or Instagram?
Riot Kid Airsoft.
Lion T?
Riot Kid, like Riot Kid underscore Airsoft.
Alright, cool, yeah. Got it right on here just now.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna shout you out all that.
See you later.
Meet you, man. I'm Scotto. Rob? Nice to meet you, man. You guys have a good one. Thank you, guys. Y'all have a good one. I'll be back probably never. Whew.